Hi, I'm going to show you how to use this tassel maker. The link for this product is listed down below, but also in the next video I'm going to show you how I'm going to give this away to one lucky person. So this is a giveaway and with one other little thing. So look out for that video and the link will be listed down below for that. To get started with this, I'm going to place my thread over these insects here at the top of the tassel maker. Then I'm going to wind the yarn around from top to bottom for my desired thickness. And so from top to bottom, I'm going to go around and I'm going to stop when it's at the thickness that I prefer. This is for a smaller one. You can make them bigger with the different tassel makers. So you just go around and round. This is thread yarn. You can use any type of yarn. This does take thread yarn typically with this tassel maker. Okay, so just go around and round. Keep those sides out because you'll need to tie that at the end here. Okay, so I'm going to stop and then cut my yarn here. You're going to take another piece of yarn, go behind, and bring it through because you're going to tie this piece of yarn where you create the head of the tassel. So you can tie it twice. And then at the top here, you're going to secure the top piece with a knot as well. And then at the bottom is where you'll cut. So you're going to take the bottom and start cutting. So you cut the bottom and then you're going to slide this off and then trim your ends equally and even here at the bottom. Kind of like you're cutting hair. And you can secure the top to loop it to have a loop at the top. So if you want to place it on anything, you can. And this is what it looks like when it's finished. Now you have your tassel. Okay, so thank you for watching and watch my next video if you're interested in this little giveaway. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.